All right, everybody, we're here day 2 at Mayfield Senior School in the city of Pasadena. Just kind of give you guys a quick update of what we was looking at. We was gonna sand 4 rooms. This is the first one. They finished this yesterday. So we basically just hit it with a 36 grit and then a 60 grit. They're gonna basically put carpet over it, but go ahead and take a look at all the chaos that this place is. This is what that floor kind of looked like originally. You see, it was a big mess. All right, this is our second room. It's already been sanded. Hit it with the 36 yesterday, and then they hit it with the 60 yesterday. They finished this yesterday. So let's see what they're actually doing today. It's the third room. A lot smaller room. So this one's complete. It's all done. And they're about halfway through on the last room, which happened to be the biggest room. Loud in here. So we got half the room done, and all the edges are done. So once this is all said and done, it's gonna look a lot different. That room will look more like those other rooms that I've already showed, but it's going pretty good. They should be done sometime today. All right, everybody, you have a great day.